What motivates you and keeps you going when things get tough?
I'm going to be honest. I do a lot of gratitudes, as you know. I really recognize the blessings I've been given, and I don't really feel like I've had a tough day in my life. Do I have tough workouts? Yes. Do I have tough days at the office? Yes. But tough in the microcosm of working 17 hours straight and seeing people in pain. I'm empathetic. I have a lot of compassion. So that's tough to see someone suffering, especially if their healing process is slower than I would like. But true tough days, I don't really feel like I've had a true tough day in my life. I'm not a soldier. I don't go to war. I haven't had too much tragedy strike me. So I feel like I've been blessed. I realize there's a lot of people out there who have real tough days. So for me, I'm just grateful for the life I've been given. I work as hard as I can to help other people have great lives too.
I love it.